Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Lightroom with your Adobe account using your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this video will guide you through the steps. First of all, download and install the Adobe Lightroom app from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch the app open. Soon after you do that, on the welcome screen, tap on the Continue with Adobe option to log in with your Adobe account. This will now take you to this Adobe sign-in page. Go ahead and type down your email address you have associated with the Adobe account. If you don't have an Adobe account, you'll need to create one by tapping on Create an Account and following the prompts. For existing Adobe users, you can type down your email address in the text box, and once you are done, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you know your password for your Adobe account and type it down in the password box. If you don't remember your password, you can get help and reset your password by tapping the Reset Your Password link at the bottom and following through the prompts. After typing down your password, you will then be logged in to Adobe Lightroom with your Adobe account. You will see your Lightroom workspace with access to your synced photos and edits. And that's how you log into Lightroom on your mobile device and get ready to start editing your photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more up-to-date tech guides. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.